Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Gab. I'd like to thank everyone who watched my last video. I'm gonna show you my long photo cards of my favorite singers, SB19. Thank you, Momsy. Oh. Since I was 3, I've been listening to SB19 songs. Let me show you this one. This is the Freedom song. This is Pablo. He's the leader of SB19. He composed most of the songs. And he's the voice coach too. This is Stel. He can hit high notes. And he is a coach in the Voice Philippines. This is Justin. He's the youngest. This is Josh. He looks the youngest, but he's the oldest. And he is good at rapping. This is Ken. It's my favorite. It's also known as Philip. I like to greet all the 18s out there. Hi 18s! Hi SB19! My favorite SB19 songs is Win Your Heart and Freedom and Mapa. I wish to see them in their concert, but I'm not allowed yet because I'm just 5. But I really wish to meet them in person soon. I wish you have an event for kids so I can go there. I like their style here. Are you an 18 too? What is your favorite SB19 song and who is your bias in SB19? Comment down below. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. God bless.